Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with all of you that stop using very. Instead of that, you can use different and advanced vocabulary. Let's begin. Very lazy. Instead of that, you can use idolent. Idolent. Very fat. Very fat mean obese. Very afraid. Terrified. Terrified. Very accurate. Exact. Exact. Very often. Frequently. Instead of that, you can use them frequently. Very smelly, pungent, pungent, very smooth, slick, sleek, very willing, eager, eager, very willing, eager, very long term, enduring, very long. Instead of very long term, you can use enduring, very nervous. Very nervous mean apprehensive, apprehensive. Next word that we have, very necessary, essential, very necessary, essential, very noisy, deafening, deafening, very dry, forced, forced, very dry, forced, very cooled, freezing, very cooled, freezing, very clever, brilliant, very clever, brilliant, very stupid, idiotic, very thin, gaunt, gaunt, very thin, gaunt, very ugly, hideous, hideous, very ugly, hideous, very wicked, villainous, villainous, very wicked, villainous, very quiet, silent, very quiet, silent. Next word that we have, very strong, unyielding, unyielding, very tasty, delicious, very tasty, delicious, very tired, exhausted, exhausted, very tired, exhausted, very tired, very valuable, precious, very valuable, precious, very neat, immaculate, very neat, immaculate, very risky, fearless, very risky, fearless, very risky, fearless, very afraid, fearful, very afraid, fearful, very creative, innovative, very creative mean innovative, very evil, victor, very evil, victor, very good, excellent, very good, excellent, very light, luminous, luminous, very light, luminous. Next word that we have, very accurate, exact, very accurate, exact, very clean, spotless, spotless, very clean, spotless, very dear, cherished, cherished, very dear. Instead of that, you can use cherished, very happy, ecstatic, very large, huge, very large, huge, very little, tiny, very little, tiny, very powerful, compelling, very powerful. Instead of that, you can use compelling, very risky, fearless, very risky, perilous, very short, brave, very short mean brave, very worried, distressed, very upset, distraught, distraught, very upset, distraught. Next word we have, very nice, kind, very nice, kind, very rich, wealthy, wealthy, very rich, wealthy, very roomy, spacious, spacious, very glad, overjoyed, very glad, overjoyed, very cute, adorable, very cute, adorable, very cute, adorable, very colorful, vibrant, very colorful, vibrant.